Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about the one problem that is created after my Xcode 16 update. So I am having that kind of problem. If you can see here, they include a non-modular here inside a framework module. So this problem can be fixed only going to runner and then clicking runner, build settings, and search the key that is allow non-modular include in framework modules. So change this to yes. If you change that, you can now run your project and you will be able to see that your project will be working. Just wait, success, okay, and it's running. So let me know in the comments if that worked for you. Please let me a like in my video, and if you want to, please subscribe to my channel to help me to grow my audience. Thank you.